classic senior solo contemporary, entry number 29, Dayva Sugg, Redbird.
My mama told me when I was a kid, when a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish. Right around the time my faith went missing, praying for an angel, but the wings look different. God, if you're listening, could you send me one down? 'Cause I can use a redbird right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me by sending someone up in heaven down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, fly, fly. Mama told me when I was a kid, when a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish. And here it is, I could use a river right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me. Send someone up in heaven down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, 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 fly. Redbird.